Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video on Trailmakers, and today we're going to be making some monster trucks and supercars. So, monster trucks are kind of an interesting concept in this game. The fact that there's so many different ways that you could make a monster truck. You can make a super small body with super big wheels. You could have super tall suspension. Can't English today apparently. But today I want to go for kind of a bigger, like a chunky type thing. And I feel like it would be really cool to have a really big body, lots of suspension, and then tiny wheels. And worst case scenario, we can always just replace the tiny wheels with gigantic wheels. So, for this build, I've decided to go with an armored seat and all of this. And for suspension, we could either use straight suspension or suspension spring. And that's what they kind of look like here. So we have like a straight up and down stock type suspension, and then we have kind of like a diagonal. I feel like the straight would be pretty good. We just did like 3 of these, and then copied them. And then if we grabbed all of them, this, copied them over to this side, and then we can grab all of these, then copy them. We can move these to the back. Cool. Now we can use some blocks right here, like that. And we have all the space up here for engines. So when I think of monster truck, I think of like a super powerful, big, chunky machine. So that's kind of what I want to recreate here. And the most powerful engine in the game is the Dragon engine. So if we chuck a couple of these in here, this thing should be pretty quick. Well, not necessarily quick, but just powerful. Then copy this back here. And now for the wheels. And I said a couple of seconds ago that I wanted to add small wheels, so we could use like go-kart wheels. This could be funny. Also here, I can't forget that we need to add some steering. So just like this, copy it, move it over here, copy that, move that over here. It's like that. Now, let's see how hilarious this is. Look at that. Oh, okay, that's funny. Just, the wheels are so tiny, we can just easily flip ourselves. Let's try out the big wheels. So there's like a couple of different variations of big wheel. There's monster truck wheel, and truck wheel, and then there's also drag racing wheel. Ooh, I kind of want to try that. Alright, let's give this a shot. Last episode we created, woo! Oh my gosh. Last episode we created a submarine worthy of coloring. But this is just mayhem. Oh, I just realized the front suspension is so much lower, whoa, than the back. Whoa! Okay, it is super easy to flip ourselves in this. Whoa, okay. Woo! Holy crap. Holy crap. We can launch ourselves. Okay. I actually have a couple more ideas for this thing. So if we get rid of some of this suspension, what if we added some mini thrusters and we just turned them like this, add them back here, and then we make it a toggle, copy these up to the front, lower them. Okay, it should be a little bit harder to flip, even though it goes a little bit slower. And maybe... Yes! We can drive on walls! Oh, and if we flip upside down, then it just tries to fling us back up. Okay, it's pretty cool. So, we start going up, we're about to flip. Jets. Maybe. Mayhaps. Let's try some different wheels. So, there's actually a specific wheel called the monster truck wheel. Bleh, can't speak. This could potentially be the winner. We just do this, do that. Alright, let's check this. Whoa, 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 hey there, bud. Chill out there, bud. Yes. Okay, we're pretty much climbing straight vertical right now. I didn't actually think this would work. I was just kind of experimenting with a wall, like a wall climber, wall crawler, spider. And somehow this design actually worked. Only problem is, if we flip it like this, it tries to push us up. So, sounds a little bit scary, but we might need to use some logic. I know. It's crazy. Crazy. So, if we make this 180, then we move this to 90, like that. So that means, just like that, we copy it, because why not? And it still has all the same stuff. So we might actually want to flip this one. So the logic doesn't actually do anything, but now that we actually have it on here, we might be able to use it. So let's just delete one of the sides. Okay. So that means when it's in the blue, so when this one's in the blue, it shouldn't activate those. Whoa. Self-driving car? No, but when we are here, it shouldn't. So let's configure, let's make the width 150. And then change the direction to 100? No, we should put it down. Not that far down. Something like right there. Then this. So we want like that much right there. And then if we copy this to the other side, configure, if we flip this like that, we don't want it to activate the front, we want it to activate the back. So I'm hoping with this programming, this logic, space still works. Okay, no, that does not work. Well, it worked, but not in the way that's supposed to. So we're gonna flip the controls. Just like that. Ooh. Okay. Only problem is it gets itself stuck. Stuck in a loop, almost. Whoa. Calm down there, bud. Okay. Oh, crap. Oh, no. That's not good. Not good at all. So, maybe if we lower the strength of these. No, we should not lower the strength of those, because that doesn't really make an effect. But, for... Hold on, do you still activate? I think that's our problem. Maybe I did get the controls flipped. Okay. We want it so that when it starts to tilt backwards, the front activates. Okay, so no. We want to flip these. Maybe that's our problem. If we do that. I basically just did a giant circle there in terms of logic. But who cares? It's just experimenting at this point. Maybe the suspension needs to be lowered in the front. Stiffness, turn that up to 1. Oh, you guys too. Just like that. Whoa, stop it. Okay, so the recording software's crashed, so I'm gonna have to kind of bind these videos. But we have our machine. Now, really the only mods that I did, modifications, is I added more wheels for a little bit more stabilization. And I believe that I got the stabilization system working for front and back. So yeah, I suppose that is the monster truck section of this video. I guess we should move on to supercars. But first, we need to save this design. I'm going to delete the design. And I am going to save current design. Now, for the supercar, I feel like we should go to the test zone instead of the danger zone. So yeah. Test zone. Alright. So, for a supercar, usually you would want to use a cockpit or some kind of low riding seat, which is correct. I'm going to use the cockpit because it's just easiest. So, first idea of what a supercar should be is fast, low riding, and cool looking. And there's tons of designs going through my head right now, but one really catches my eye. And that is the one where all of this is gone. So it's just essentially one big stick. But then we can use some of this. We rotate it properly. Like this. We can copy that up to there. Copy this like that. And then like this. So this thing needs to be fast. That's just kind of what I think a supercar should be. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of hollow out some space right there for some dragon engines since they're the fastest in the game. And then we delete this, copy them forward, and I suppose we could delete that and then, nope, I don't want to delete the dragon engines, I want to copy them forward. It's like that. It's a little bit long, but there we go. And then we can grab aerodynamics. And we can just use ourselves one of these guys. So that we don't catch air with that, like this. And then we can copy these wheels back all the way back. Now let's check our aerodynamics. Aerodynamics are really good so far. So let's actually try this out real quick. Woo! We're a speedy boy. But I know the way that we can go faster. I know the way. So what we need to use is some hover blocks. I probably shouldn't have deleted that. We're just gonna put this back. That. And Trailmakers doesn't like empty spaces, so we need to try to make this as compact as possible. But if we delete these really quickly, let's just grab another one of these, because we were probably going to need one. So arrow keys, move those over. Now, this is the hover pad glitch. So if we just angles properly, yes, like that. And then grab another one, put it over to that side. And we grab a hover block, we rotate it correctly like this. And then again, check our aerodynamics are good. We can see that we're already moving. So the only problem with this is that we need to somehow reverse it so that these are over here. So like that. Okay, what if we did something like this? And we rotate it like that. It's like that. And then we need to make these hover pads controllable. So, no, we don't want E, we want W. And distance, turn that all the way up. we want to actually so let's make that space so we can get going really quick like this, and then that engine makes us even faster. Okay, so I have an idea. So this is pretty good, but could we use a piston glitch to actually get the wedge almost inside? So if we did something like this, we grab one of these and we like that. And now Trailmaker's is not gonna like that empty space. But we're gonna have to live with it, I suppose. Now if we copy this right here, it's like that, and then copy that right there, let's bind these to Q and E. So E is going to be our extend, and Q is going to be to contract. Okay, then if we combine this, I don't think we're going any faster with that. But if we grab this, copy it, that way, and these we're going to delete controls, and start position is going to be that, speed is going to be that. Okay. We now have a 1x1 block. Okay, we're actually going slower with this thing in the back. So, I don't actually think that was a good idea. But if we restart like this, I go off like this, we actually did go a little bit faster with the hover pad. Okay. But, so what if we just added more dragon engines? How does that compare? We don't want it that far forward. Let's move it back a little bit. It's like that. We go a bit faster. What if we added one of these guys in the back? Again, probably not a great idea, but let's just give it a try. I don't know if we're going any faster with that, so let's just get rid of that. Let's try adding on to the back like this, and then like that, and copy this. Somehow it's connected, but Trailmakers counts that as an empty space, so do something like that. And if this doesn't make us go any faster, then I think we should bring the alien engine back, or the hover pad glitch. Okay, we're going faster, but I think that hover pad thing actually did us some good. So if we just bring two of these out, rotate it like that, and then we grab these two, just like this. I actually want to move that up. Then we do this. Oh, wrong button. Just like that. And then again, we need to get our wedge thing into place. So we copy this to the other side, rotate it. Just like this. That, and there you go. Again, let's make this controllable. Space, toggleable. Alright. Now let's give this a try again. Let's go to start. So let's just get up to speed with our dragon engines. That, and then we add our alien thruster. Ooh, that's a bit faster. Alright. Next step is actually bringing thrusters into this. So, ooh, snappy. Okay, if we bring this in, let's actually make all of these work together. Just like that, and then also, can we make this go any more? Yep, distance all the way up. Alright, let's make sure that these are going at max speed. Yep. Oh, crap. Hold on, they're not working together. Not at all. So, what could I do? Let's make it Q to activate the thrusters. Let's go back to the start. Hold on. Alright, let's go up to speed with the dragon engines. We also have to keep our weight in mind. So then let's add in the thruster. The alien thruster. Not bad. And then let's add in our dragon jets. Okay. Ooh, okay. Okay, we're going a lot faster. Oh yeah, we're going a lot faster here, bud. Okay. I say okay a lot. I just noticed that. It's weird when you say something a lot and then you notice it. It's like, whoa, I didn't even realize that was an instinct. So, my idea now is just to add more dragon jets. Like, as many as I can. Yeah, I thought so. Okay. Let's try this out now. To go back to the start. Let's keep going with our dragon engines and our alien thruster. Now let's kick in all of our dragon jets. Okay, okay. We hit 300 miles an hour. Can we get to 350? 350, alright. Wow. Okay, that's really fast. We are quick. Okay. Is there any way that I can make this faster? Could I just attempt to add more? I feel like that's kind of like a bad idea. It's kind of being like greedy almost. But it's the only other idea that I have right at the current time. So let's go back to the start. Deactivate that. Then let's take off with this. Now the alien thruster. And now the dragon jets. Ooh, ooh, holy crap! Holy crap! We got to 400 miles an hour. Holy god! Oh my gosh! Oh gosh! I just combined words. Holy! crap. Holy cow. Okay. That's fast. That's an accomplishment. Maybe that is kind of the way. Let's just try more and see if that works. If not, then we can remove some. Okay. I have a feeling that one little alien thruster isn't really going to do much anymore. Let's go back to the start. Okay, just engines now. Alien engine, alien thruster, whatever you want to call it. And now jets. Holy crap. Come on! Come on! Come on! We might be able to reach 500 miles an hour. Oh. Or I guess we hit the barrier. Okay. That is probably one of my quickest designs yet. So let's give this thing a save. So let's get rid of a design. And then save. Now there's actually a design back there that I want to take a look at, because it's the only way that I ever beat the sound barrier. And that is with this design. And there's one more. This design? Hold on. This design. It's too complex, I guess. But I basically beat the sound barrier with just dynamite. And the reason that this is so cool is because it just literally... That's not the design, I don't think. Yeah, no. This isn't the one, but there is one that I had. It's all the way back when I used white. I think it might have been the one, this one. Okay, yes, delete my blocks. There we go. Alright. Let's try this thing out. I don't know if this is the one, but... Oh, yeah, that's definitely the one. Yep. Yeah, that's holy crap. Okay. So, the reason that this happens is if we take a look at the design, all this dynamite is all around this one little seat. And then all these tiles, these shields, keep that explosion in for a long enough amount of time for that dynamite to go off. Then when that goes off, the top explodes, which launches us into the air. And this is one of my favorite designs. Just for the pure reason of how ridiculous it is. Just, like, boom. We just broke the sound barrier. But yeah, I have tried to use this design and build, like, something on top of it to launch us up, but it's just destroyed itself. So, this is as good as we're gonna get for right now. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I guess I'll see you all in the next one. Bye!